Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a pamper prep for my hen night. Sorry if you can hear the running water. I'm actually going to show you the products that I'm actually going to use. So while the bath is running, let me just show you the products for the bath. Please excuse the state I am right now. I've been waiting for my hair dye to dry so I can actually film this video. So first things first, I've got a cherry bath bomb which I got from Home Bargains, which I'm just going to place that into the bathtub now. The Radox that I use all the time, this one or the muscle soak. So this is the Feel Vitalised, and it's the cherry one, and I have got another bottle, so I'm going to pop some of that in the bath as well. For those of you probably wondering, oh my god, does it like stain? Does the colour run off on you? No, it don't. Obviously the bath bomb and all the bubble bath, just because it's red, it doesn't mean it's going to stain your clothes. You're not going to get out of the bath and you're completely red. So yeah, it does not stain whatsoever, and it is very, very washable as well. So the next thing I'm going to pop in is some Baylis and Hardy. So this is the Midnight Cherry Luxury Bath Milk. I actually got this for Christmas, so I haven't actually used this one yet. And I've used the shower gel, and look, it is still brand new, hence why I've not used it yet. So I'm going to pop some of this in the bath as well. Oh, it smells lovely. Anything to do with cherries or coconut, I love. Cherries I love every day, but coconut smells like a holiday, and I love. Once I'm in the bath, I do have the Baylis and Hardy again in the Midnight Cherries, the body wash. So obviously, as you can see, I've half used it and it is incredible. And then I've got this. This is the Baylis and Hardy Midnight Cherries body polish, which I've never used before. Let's just make sure it's open. Let's see, it's never been used. So I'm going to use this as well. So I'm going to make sure everything is all open, so I can just easily grab it as well. I think this is like a scrub. It just says body polish, so. But yeah, I've got those two to go into the bath. So obviously I'm not going to show you me actually using it because I'll be naked in the bath. So yeah, I've got actually them as well. Obviously when I get out of the bath, I'm going to do my face and my skincare. So this is the Garnier Vitamin C Facial Cleanser. I absolutely love this. I swear by this. Yeah, this is the only one that doesn't make my skin go all blotchy or anything. It's non-toxic to my skin. I absolutely love this, and it's the best facial cleanser or facial wash, whatever you want to say. It's the best one for my skin. Now I do have the Garnier one. I still use that one. I do have the is it Body Shop? No, not Body Shop. Soap and Glory. But after using that, it makes my face go red and blotchy. I think it's because of all the strong chemicals that's inside it. Obviously, Garnier Vitamin C don't have that many strong chemicals in. So I absolutely love this, and this is really good to my skin. And I also have the sorbate cream, which you will guys see later on throughout this video as well. So yeah, I'm going to use this when I get out of the bath. As I'm in the bath, I've got my lovely bath pillow. I love this. It's nice and relaxing. It's all the little bits in, and it's got a couple of suctions on there so that you can actually stay on the bath. So I'm going to go and pop that in place now. So obviously I'm dyeing my hair. I know I'm getting my hair done Thursday before the wedding, but obviously I've got my hen night tomorrow. So by the time this video goes up, I would have been on my hen night. But you guys will see that vlog coming up very soon anyway. But this is the Pamper Prep leading for the hen night. So obviously I've got a few greys that I want to get rid of. So I've just bought one dye. This is a semi-permanent one, so obviously a few washes it will come out anyway, which is kind of good because then it'll take me right up until I get my hair done anyway, which you guys will see Friday, I do believe. I think that's a Friday's episode. So I've just got the normal black hair dye, and I don't know about you guys, but with the hair dye boxes, they don't give you enough conditioner. So I'm just going to use my one. This is the Coconut by Garnier Ultra Blends Coconut Milk one. I absolutely love this one. Again, I love anything to do with coconut. It smells incredible. It smells like holiday. I love it, and I love the smell it leaves, and it makes your hair nice and soft as well. So yeah, I'm going to show you what my bath looks like, and then I'm going to get in my bath, obviously do my hair. So I will see you guys when I'm out, and probably I'm going to blow dry my hair. So I'm going to show you the products that I use. I'm going to have face masks. I'm going to chill out. I'm going to have a nice cup of tea later. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay guys, so that is going to end today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Sorry about the light, but it is 9:30 at night. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Tomorrow is my hen night and I cannot wait. I'm so excited. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video nevertheless, and I will see you guys in the morning. Bye guys.